In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade or replace the RAM on your MacBook Pro. In this case, I'm using a 2012 MacBook Pro Intel Core i5 processor. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, but I'm going to be adding another stick of RAM to make it 4 gigs of RAM. So you start by removing all the screws on the bottom plate. There's a total of about 12 screws. After you've removed the screws, lift the cover gently. Look for this battery connector right here and unplug the battery. You want to make sure that the laptop is not does not have any power while you're working on it. So unplug the battery by lifting this plastic connector for the battery gently. So when it's free and loose like that, now you take your new stick of RAM. Make sure you line up the contacts with the grooves in the logic board. Insert it. Push it slightly in and then push it down. You're going to hear a click. You can feel it clicking in, that it's in place. Give it a little push, make sure it's sitting properly. Remember to reconnect your battery. Push that plastic piece into place. You're going to hear it click. And now the battery is connected again. So replacing the cover is just a reverse process. So put the cover back on and replace the 12 screws. And that's it. If you turn on the MacBook and you hear a beeping sound, it's not operating normally. That means that maybe one of the RAM sticks is not properly inserted.